Starting around 25 August 2023, Cardano explicitly is exchanging at 26 cents in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.84% in, for the most part, most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. ADA in a real sense has a complete market cap of $9,133,671,237, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $231,855,354 in a genuinely huge manner. This for the most part makes Cardano ADA kind of positioning at 7 in the digital money market, or so they generally thought. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano certainly be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Cardano an especially wise venture, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ADA cost generally outperform its record-breaking in every practical sense, high in all things considered, large way? These in every practical sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unpretentious manner. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost is supposed to explicitly cross an extremely normal value level of 34 cents, the normal really least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to sort of be 33 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Besides, ADA can especially arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 37 cents, which certainly is very critical. Cardano value estimate August 2023. The by and large normal cost of Cardano ADA could really go to 31 cents toward August 2023 in a sort of enormous manner's end. ADA could essentially be exchanging around and in every practical sense greatest worth of 31 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 28 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Cardano could for the most part stretch around 33 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 in every practical sense is 30 cents with a truly normal cost of 31 cents, which really shows that these in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they sort of thought. Cardano value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to fundamentally be at around and in every way that really matters, least of 31 cents in a significant way. Cardano cost can generally arrive at an especially limit of 34 cents, with the truly normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally be at around a very least of 32 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an essentially limit of 36 cents, with the very normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, exhibiting how on the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano sort of be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Cardano value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Cardano could stretch around 37 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 basically is 33 cents with a by and large normal cost of 34 cents. In and in every way that really matters, huge way. Cardano certainly passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been basically diminished by 1.1% in its by and large current worth, which in every practical sense is very huge. In the event that we essentially look at the truly current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in a really significant manner. Cardano in a real sense is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, so assuming that we certainly look at the genuinely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which basically is very critical. The ADA in every practical sense is down to nearly 1.38% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, showing the way that ADA could be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of 31 cents. with the kind of least expected cost of 28 cents in a genuinely significant manner. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for essentially past especially couple of days. The coin could explicitly have kind of solid basics yet. We don't fundamentally believe that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment. Showing how the coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for truly past essentially couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment. Or so they for the most part thought. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA in every practical sense diminished by 41.859%, dispensing with an astounding especially normal amount of 19 cents from its genuinely current worth, essentially further appearance. How besides ADA can fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 37 cents, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be an especially really great, generally purchase an open door for fast speculation, showing how these in every way that really matters are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 31.40%, and the cost truly circled from a by and large least in every practical sense, normal cost of 37 cents to pretty greatest kind of normal cost of 39 cents. In the especially beyond 90 days, exhibiting how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano basically be extremely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Cardano certainly is somewhere near 3.22%, with the most extreme in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin by and large was around 27 cents, and the exceptionally least truly normal cost of essentially was around 26 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 in a real sense is 33 cents with a typical cost of 34 cents in a significant manner. Cardano value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be Cardano worth in 2023? Which explicitly is very critical. The ADA cost especially is determined to essentially arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 37 cents, with especially least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in every practical sense, further appearance how Cardano value conjecture October 2023, in October 2023. The cost of Cardano truly is supposed to for the most part be at around a sort of least of 31 cents. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, does Cardano explicitly have a future, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. As far as value,